How to fix Samsung not receiving text from iPhone. First of all, you need to make sure the problem is not with your network. Check if your Samsung device can receive normal SMS from other Android phones as well. If it works fine, the issue is most likely related to iMessage. Many times when people switch from iPhone to Samsung, their number still stays linked with Apple's iMessage service, which blocks SMS delivery. To fix this, you need to deregister iMessage. So start by Googling deactivate iMessage and look at the official Apple website to deregister your iMessage. And here it will take you to the deregister page. If you transfer your SIM card from your iPhone to a non-Apple phone, put it back in your iPhone and make sure that you're connected to your cellular data network. After that, go with your settings, apps, then messages, then turn off your iMessage. And then tap on settings, app, and FaceTime and turn off your FaceTime as well. But if you no longer have your iPhone, then you can just simply enter your phone number right here and enter the code from the image, the captcha. Once done, you can go with send code and you will receive a code to your phone number. And after entering that code, it will deactivate or deregister from your iMessage. And after that, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.